Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous video, we have discussed about Python program to reverse of a given number. So now here in this video, I am going to discuss about Python program to reverse of a given number using string slicing operator. So slicing operator means colon operator. So using that string slicing operator, we can determine reverse of a given number. So the program is number is equal to int of input of enter a given number inside the single quotation or the double quotation, enter a number. Okay, the number values must be integer value. So because of that, before here int function we can define int function. It will take the exact integer value. So initially I will enter the number is 1 2 3 4. Okay, that is the given number, and after that convert this number into string format. Convert this number into string format. So str underscore number is equal to, and string method string of str of given number. So using this syntax, using this line, string underscore number is equal to str of number mean convert the given number into the string format. So the number is successfully converted into the string format, and after converting the given number into the string format, so reverse the number using string slicing operator. So reverse the given number using string slicing operator. So number underscore reverse is equal to using string slicing operator. So now we are the string of number and its variable is str underscore number. So str underscore number of, so colon minus 1, and the first colon represents the starting indexing portion and second colon represents the last indexing portion, and minus 1, so reverse of the given string. So press the enter button. So using the print function, so print of, so reversed number is comma number underscore reverse. So the reverse number we will get on the Python console. So this is the Python program to reverse of a given number using string slicing operator. Thank you for watching.